No? Okay. Hang on, we're gonna let Blair, Smooth and Creamy Smith here take a look.
He's a pro here.
He has a pro, door handles, all sorts of good stuff.
Quarter windows.
Pull the
You
rope.
can use this.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll come open. Pull the rope.
Straighten it out a bit.
Is this holding the whole thing together?
No, well, we're just checking, hang on. Right, like Blair's got to look, but,
Let him look.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there we have, we just heard our first, oh yeah, baby, oh baby.
See, because we can use the two roofs together and only
Yeah.
have one seam over the top
Yeah.
instead of making a piece
Okay.
to extend it.
Yeah.
And this one is one of those rare ones that isn't rotten.
That's nice.
Look at it, it's clean.
So what year? What is this one?
55, doesn't matter, same
No, yeah, I
cap.
was just curious. What it
So basically, if we use the front of this one, we'll just cut this dash out because this is the square. This is the GMC dash, which I prefer
Okay.
because you can put gauges in it.
Right.
The other one is the Chevy. Some
Yeah.
people like that, but I mean, they're still GM.
Yeah, yeah.
So I mean, but it's up to you because you can change dash. So what do you think, Blair? What's the verdict?
Pull the door. There's
Pull-
parts.
Open that door. Open that door. Oh, look, it opens.
That's nice.
Oh,
Side doesn't have one.
See the door
The
move?
floor is
Yeah.
good. The floor is good.
I mean, it is, how old? 70?
what is it? Hang on.
51?
It's
55 GMC.
It's 2 years older than me. It's 69 years old.
So
This
it's
has seen some things.
ready for pasture then.
That's no. It's ready to be repurposed.
Wow. Okay, the inside looks really
The
nice
inside
too.
is in
and
really
that's-
good shape. Does
But I
this
mean
other
the
door
roof.
open?
Hey, quit talking him up. There, you know but the more you talk, the higher the price he's getting, Blair. Tell him it's a POS.
You guys won't fool me.
Pretty hard to get up early enough to fool you. I
Never
know.
will get up early enough.
I don't know.
And this one?
I was up
Yeah.
at 5.
Well, I'm up at
So,
3:30.
and then we make room.
Well, that's because you got a sleep issue.
I do. I have that or my whole right.
Yeah. So does Blair. Doesn't sleep.
I'm so excited.
I can't.
Like I can't even
do it.
explain to you how excited I am.
Oh, right
I
on.
don't know how
You get
Blair
all the
does
free
it.
cigarette butts and everything.
Oh, no extra.
Okay, tie it back closed. Tie it back up.
That's it.
Okay, so is it thumbs up, Blair? Thumbs down? Thumbs up.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's load her up.
You know, it's all right. It's like, you know, there's a lot of work that it
Yeah,
needs.
sorry.
You know, when I came to see Mike to buy my first truck, and everybody was like, Rachel, don't get so excited about this. But I'm excited.
Well, this is going to be cool when you see a cab extended. Like, how big of an extension do you plan on doing, Blair?
The last one I did was 22 inches. It gave you a fold-up seat in the back and room for
Yeah.
people, but it depends how big are people. Like, is it
My
for
people
adults
are
or
little,
kids?
but
Yeah, but they will grow.
they will grow. Yeah.
Just remember, so we should make it big enough to put an
And-
Avery in the back seat, should we?
And you know, I've made some like decisions on other parts of this truck. I
Oh.
think I want to like triple axle it. I think I want to make it a
No
six-wheeler.
way.
It would be so rad doing that.
It would be.
Rachel,
Let
every
the girl dream big.
okay.
Mike.
Well, just put it this way: every axle double the price.
I know.
And what frame?
I don't know yet.
Geez, I got a really nice
got-
dually. I got a
I know
really
you
nice
have,
dually.
That's the Dodge, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it's a Ford.
Oh, that one out front.
It's a
Right,
Ford.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
But it doesn't matter. You can put a Cummins in anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way cool. Because you see this angle here,
Yeah.
so we just have to square this off, or we take this one and we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I think how cool would that be, having it be the 4-door, but then it's going to shorten the back, and I
Oh,
want
you want
to.
to go 4-door?
Well, are we not? Are we
Oh, I
just
thought we were
extending
just
it?
extending the cab.
Well, we can just extend the cab.
Oh, now you want a crew cab. Okay, now it's crew cab.
I don't
Blair.
know. I don't know. I think that it would be cool to make it 4-door. Don't you?
Oh, it's always cool. Always cool.
Don't do otherwise.
Hey,
Yeah.
just remember, it's just like the axles. The longer the truck goes, the more it costs.
I know. But you know, this is my first build, so I'm very,
You
Yeah.
want to go over
I'm
the
very
top.
Yeah,
over the
yeah,
top,
yeah.
and it's like I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just looking for exactly what I have in my head.
Okay. Well,
that's big.
remember,
And I'm-
Blair has ATD.
There's just no end.
It's attention to detail.
Yeah, so do I. So do I, which is great.
Yeah.
We could stretch it out like 6 feet and make it a limo. Right?
Let's
And
get.
the axles
Hey,
at the back.
Then I
enough.
can rent it out. I can drive people to weddings, and
Yes.
Strangers.
gotta make
in-
money off it somehow.
Yes. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We could do a
So
limo.
we have a
Suicide
win.
doors on the back.
Yeah.
That'd be rad.
Guys, stop.
too
Just
many.
stop. It's spiraling out of control here. Wayne, what do you have to load this up? Okay.
Shut her down.
Shut her
Everybody
down.
shut down now.
Okay.
Mike, how many vehicles did you buy?
2, but don't tell anybody.
You didn't buy that third one for 200?
No.
I'm tempted to buy that.
Go inside that truck, and there's a sawzall in there. Which truck? That one right there. There's a sawzall in there. And
Of course there
on the
is.
Dash, right when you open the door on the left-hand side, up on the top.
There you go. Save that.
It's slid in.
Yeah. Blair,
I
it
wasn't
should be
sure if it
good.
will.
Okay.
Okay, you guys are okay then?
Yeah.
Just go blue.
Here, while you look sideways. Here, Blair, hold on. Okay, hang on. Okay.
if I throw the strap through, what are we gonna do? Just
Is there a hook down there?
I could go down to a bumper.
Yeah, we
Need
could.
something on it so we don't get shit.
Yeah. Here,
So
okay.
no, I'll put the other end through.
Yeah, okay.
No, I do a lot of the gates and stuff. I do a lot of hand railing.
It doesn't matter which end it goes.
No, here, okay, but can you open that window, or do you want me to walk around? Okay. Yeah, I'm old. You're just spry like a spring chicken. It didn't sound too spry. Okay, find the rock. And then when you got the strap,
Fits like a glove. Fits like a cab.
can we push that ahead a little more the other needs some tire?
Go ahead.
Yeah, just 1 second.
So when you're finished, come see me.
Okay.
Okay. Where do we want to go? Just up and over, Blair? Or do we want to keep it straight? Yep. Yeah, to the back corner here. Yep.
Those are shiny new straps.
Yes.
I even bought some really nice, good quality straps for when I come pick up the Scout. Pretty proud of
Yeah,
myself.
you know you can never keep these. Maybe this was a set of 5. It's now a set of
Yes.
1.
Anything that shows up around Rust Brothers gets liberated. Okay.
I returned everything in good order. I tied up all your straps, give the hitch back to Connor.
Oh, yeah.
So
Oh,
hopefully
yeah.
Lou got that back.
No, that's awesome.
Okay, Blair, so what do you just want to go like this one fucking kitty corner should be good?
We're basically worried about the old EOT here. Similar people.
Hey, there's even glass in this thing.
What did I do?
You probably tightened it up.
I'm trying to get.
Oh,
I hate them with that extra piece there. I don't know what that's for. Oh, no shit. Yeah,
Pretty cool. What do we think, Blair?
Thinking on the photo.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So that means we'd use a lot more of this cab.
Yeah.
You know, maybe take the pillars with it.
Yeah.
The portions of the pillar.
3-4 times a day. It's going right now. I got
You know, it's very, very interesting.
I think it would be cool.
Yes.
And you haven't done that
thing
before.
is-
That's fun.
I've also I extended a cab and I made a scratch-built door, but it opened suicide.
Yeah.
So on the passenger side, you had. So we could do that on both.
Yeah.
So then we'd take this pillar, turn it around, and put it on the back.
The other
over
side.
there,
Yeah.
And vice versa.
Yeah.
And you would have suicide doors on the back. Normal, it would be way cool.
That would be really cool.
Oh, yeah.
Big dreams. This girl dreams big, so hey.
I like it.